welcome to my channel. My name's Kelly from Kelly Lee Creates, and today I'm going to show you how to make this checkered pattern in Procreate. So I'm going to start off with a square canvas. I'm going to make it 3000 by 3000 pixels, and we're not going to need any brushes for this tutorial. This is all just drag and drop. So you're going to start with a square, and you're going to drop a color into your canvas. You can use any color you want. I just chose this pink color. So the next thing we're going to do is going to come up here and tap on this arrow to select the square, to select your layer. And then you're going to come up here to this blue dot in the upper left corner. Tap on the blue dot, and we're going to change the dimensions here. We're going to change it to 1500 by 1500. So if you have a 3000 by 3000 pixel square, you're going to divide that in half. And so this is going to be 1500 by 1500. And when you do that, your square is going to just snap into the upper left corner. Now, some people also do it this way. They take the dot down here and they drag. But the reason that I don't do that is because sometimes after you drag it, when you lift up your Apple Pencil, it can get off a pixel or two. And if it gets off, then you get the white lines in your pattern and your pattern doesn't line up correctly. So the way I do this is I tap on the blue dot and put in my pixels directly up here. So I'm going to put 1500 and it's going to snap right into place. Then you're going to come up here, add a new layer, take another color. I'm going to choose this light pink, drag and drop, and we're going to do the same thing. Tap on the arrow, tap on this blue dot, and 1500. And it'll snap right in place up into the upper right corner. Next, you're going to merge the two layers. You can either tap and merge down, tap, merge down, or you can just pinch the two layers together. Then we want to duplicate these two layers, tap on the arrow, and drag your duplicate down to the bottom. Make sure that snapping is on so it snaps into place, and then you're going to rotate it until you have each color in opposite corners. Then you're going to come back to your layers panel and merge those two layers together. So now you have one square made up of two colors. So this is your pattern block. And now we're going to build out the pattern exactly the way we did to create this block. So I'm going to duplicate this 4 times, because each one of these squares is then going to be shrunk down and put into each of the 4 corners. So tap on the arrow, tap on the blue dot, and hit 1500. And then just do that for each layer. So we're going to tap on the second layer here, arrow, tap on this blue dot, 1500. Come down to the next layer, same thing. And your final layer here. Then you're going to go and merge all your layers together. And now you can stop here, or you can do this same process again if you want your pattern to be smaller. So I'm going to make 4 copies of this. And I always like to keep 1 copy of the original. So I'll have 4, and then I'm going to turn off this bottom layer just to keep that layer in case anything goes wrong. So tap on the arrow, and we're going to do this one more time. Just go through the layers, tap on the dot, and enter your 1500 by 1500 pixels. And when I enter my pixels, you can see that I have this highlighted right here, so I only have to type in 1500 once and it'll change both the height and the width proportionally. So I just have to type in 1500 and it'll change both of them. And then you're going to pinch these together. And so now you have your pattern like this, and you also have one that is bigger in scale. So that's how you make a checkered pattern in Procreate. If you like this tutorial, make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up so you don't miss any more of my videos. And if you want more tutorials like this, you can follow me on Instagram at Kelly L Creates or visit my blog at kellyleecreates.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.